Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Islamic Audiobooks collection. I'll start off by saying Ramadan Mubarak to all our listeners from myself and our team. May this forthcoming month be a source of blessings for the whole Ummah. Please do keep all of us in your du'as as well. I will be reading 30 Lessons for Those Who Fast by Abdullah al Qarni, which has been translated by Dr. Dawood A. Abdullah, and it can be accessed at kalamullah.com. So there is an introduction to this book, which we don't normally read, but what I will do just for this episode is read the last paragraph of the introduction. Let's read. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Page 8. Introduction. The last paragraph. It was confirmed that when the Prophet, peace be upon him, witnessed the new moon at the beginning of Ramadan, he would say, "My Lord and your Lord is Allah, O crescent of goodness and guidance. O my Lord, let it dawn upon us with peace, submission, security, and faith. Surely Ramadan is the noblest month, and its days are the sweetest days. The righteous rebuke Ramadan because of the shortness of its visit and the length of its absence. For it comes after much longing and makes amends after separation. It is often greeted thus. Welcome to the month of fasting, O beloved who visits us every year. We have met you with overflowing love. All love except for the Holy Master is prohibited. Accept, O my Lord, our fast, and increase us from your great favour. Do not punish us, because we were already punished by sleepless anxiety in darkness. Strangely enough, Allah mends hearts with the coming of this guest. He forgives sins with his visit and covers up faults with its arrival. Welcome to you, dear Ramadan. So that was the last paragraph of the introduction of the book, and inshallah, please do join us for these lessons, which I sincerely hope will be of benefit to me firstly, and to you guys as well. Ramadan Mubarak, everybody. Hope your day is full of blessings. Assalamu alaikum.